everyone, this is Peter Tadras. Today I'm making a quick video to show attachment controls in Power Apps. Previously I made a quick short video about how to fix attachment control. So this video is more of like an add-on to it. So the issue is when you have an attachment control in a form in Power Apps and you try to click on one of the attachment to download it. I can't show it in the screen here because it looks like it does not record this, but it said file wasn't available. And if I open my downloads, I can't see it in here, so it did not download. So if I try to download any of the files, it doesn't download. And the reason for that is this attachment control here has two extra fields here under the advanced. It has name and a value, and the issue is that the value has the ID value to it, not the value, and so it doesn't download. How to fix this is you go to the attachment control, and instead of the parent default, if you remove this, you add this item.attachment, and this will actually light up these two fields here, name and value, and so you can choose from the value, and then if you download again, it actually went through, download it, and I can see it in my download folder here. So it was this here, and if I try to download the file as well, it will also download it. So it's an Excel file. So that's it for that. Although some users could not actually find these two fields here under the item, under the advanced tab. So the name and the value for the items, you couldn't find it even after changing this item to attachment, or they said the attachment control didn't come with it, as in the case of this one here that came with the form. So you can see it's items, no name, no ID, no value in here. So to do that, really simple is go to the items and remove parent.default before you do anything else. So once you do this, if the attachment control doesn't have any error, it will actually give you these fields. So if you can see, I did that. And if I go away and come back to it, it gave me the two fields, name and a value. And if I click on the value to value, try to download something, it downloads fine. So there you go. So that's a simple way of doing this. I figured this out from copying and pasting attachment control into different locations. So this field's opened up. The other part of this video is to show how to download attachment for Sharepoint list for multiple rows. So what I did, as you can see here on the screen, I have a gallery, a main gallery, and I have this general list, which has only two items, item 1, ID 1, and ID 2. So this list is the items of this gallery. And so I entered another gallery in it, and I gave the items for this small gallery this item.attachment. And in the case of the ID number 1, this first item, I have two attachments in it. So the ones we're trying to download on the left here. So I have this photo and I have this Excel file. On the second item, I have another like screenshot. So that's it. So how to download these? And before we go to download, let's just go to this item.attachment. So this item for that specific item has the attachment, and the attachment's on another table. This table have actually 4 columns to it. So if I add them in the gallery, and if I go to one of the labels in the gallery, and let's see, it's on, where is that? Here, this it's text. So this item dot, if I do like this, then we're given the option. So we got display name, we got ID, we got absolute URI, and we got value. And I selected because of the gallery. So in order to launch this, I can just launch the absolute URI, and we'll open the file for me. So like I did here. So if I just throw an icon, and then I can just say launch, and this item dot absolute URI. And if I click on it, it will open the screenshot for me. And if I click on the second one, the Excel sheet, also downloaded it for me. Don't know if you can see that, but I could see it, so it's downloaded. The second part is someone asked if we could add attachment control into the gallery so we can download from there, and that's fine. So you can just get a copy, you can copy attachment control like I did from here. So from that form, I copied it. And again, I need to change parent.default because it won't work parent.default in the gallery. So before you have any errors, maybe while it's in the form, change parent.control, parent.default into this item.attachment, and then copy it into the smaller gallery in the big gallery. And once it's copied, give it items, only this item, because we're dealing with the attachment table. So give it this item, and it will just get the whatever the attachment, it can read a table, so it will read the whole entire all the columns, so it get the attachment like we have here, and the rest is what we do. It just if you click on any of them, it will download it for you, like so. Again, you can't see it probably, but I have it downloaded in my downloads folder. And one last thing is you'll need to edit this value here. Sometimes works, sometimes it does not. So if it doesn't work, go to the advanced tab for that attachment control, and under the items, name is display name value, give it value, and that should be it. So there you go. Try it again, and it's fine. And that's it. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. If you have any ideas for Power Apps video, please let me know. I'll be happy to make them for you. Please subscribe. Thank you.